Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been seeing these wigs all over TikTok recently. They have been going viral because they look so real, and we're going to be testing them out today to see if they're actually good because they're all under $15, which blows my mind. But you're going to want to stick around for wig number 2 because this is giving off major Raquel Welch vibes, like the shaded biscuit color. That's what it's giving, and it has so much volume, and I can't wait to share it with you. So you're going to want to stick around for that one. But these SHEIN wigs have so many claims. They claim that they're heat friendly. They claim that has imitation of a scalp, which I've reviewed their wigs in the past and they really do, so I'm curious to see if these ones have it as well. They also claim that they have flexible ear tabs, so it's a secure fit and it's also super comfy to wear. They have one size fits all, so apparently this is supposed to fit every single head. We're gonna see how good these are and if that's actually true. But before we get into it, if you guys want any of these wigs, use my coupon code clarity15. You're gonna get 15% off. And now let's get into wig number 1. All right, so the first wig, which one is it? It's going to be a 24-inch brown, like dark brown wig. It's kind of black. It says that it's black, but it also says that it's dark brown. We're gonna see what color it actually is. It's similar to my own hair. I think this is it. And this is supposed to be a layered wig. It has tons of layers framing the face. This layered wig also comes in 4 different colors. It comes in black, burgundy, brown with highlights, and purple. It comes in actual purple colors. So this is the wig. I know 24 inches sounds crazy, but if you look at it, it's not that long. Well, actually, okay, it is. But in the photos, it looked really nice because she's layered. Okay, that is long, but I like the layered throughout. It doesn't feel crazy. I like it so far. And it's one that's easy to wear because it has bangs into the front. I think these are supposed to be curtain bangs. You can see that it has a little bit of a layer of like going sideways. And on the inside, it has like this mesh. So this way it's not gonna get hot while you're wearing it. And it has the fake scalp like the other ones I reviewed. This little area, you can see that it's like almost the same color as my scalp. And it's so crazy that they give that because those wigs are so expensive to get. You can see right here in the inside, if I go, you can hear like a plastic, and that's just like this little plastic part inside. Usually they use silk for that, but this one, it's plastic. Let's try her on. She is so pretty. These I'm gonna put on a wig cap just so that my hair stays all in one place, but I'm so impressed with them that they have that like fake scalp. If you guys have, some girls, I know some ladies like not having that fake scalp. If they're bald underneath, they want like their own scalp, which is understandable because that's gonna look the realest. But for people that have hair, like that's so cool that they have that because that means you don't have to wear a wig cap underneath. I like it just to hold my hair. Recently I've actually been liking wig caps. I've been coming back to them. I went through a phase where I would not wear them and now I am. So this is what it looks like on. Honestly, I think if I would have started this video off wearing this wig, you guys would have never known. It looks so much like my own hair, and I have so much big lights. Like I have a humongous window right here that's all sunlight, natural sunlight. Then I have 3 humongous big LED lights, and there is not a lot of shine. You would think for a synthetic SHEIN wig that there would be tons of shine. That's what I thought, but the shine is very minimal. And what you could do is you can always go in with the Mika dry shampoo. This is going to get rid of any type of shine because it's supposed to be for like 4 to 5 days. It gets rid of the shine right away. Like, so this is such a good product for synthetic wigs if you're trying to get rid of shine. But you could see it looks like natural shine. It looks like I could walk out the door and I don't think anybody would know. This costs $12. And if I bend down, this is what it looks like. It looks super natural. The hairline, like I have it pushed back a little bit, but you can't tell because of the bangs. But I have pushed back a little bit because if I put it too forward, I feel like it's in my eyelashes, and my eyelashes are like, I could push them, but I just feel like they're running into my eyelashes. I like having it a little bit higher up. The bangs hide it anyway, and I feel like that's so pretty. I also seen that the model had it like this too. So let's move on to wig number 2. This is the one you guys have been waiting for. This is the one that we're gonna be trying. I'll pop it here onto the screen with the SQU code. And I fell in love with the color because this one has the color like shaded biscuit. The volume that this wig has, the style, the cut, everything, layers, it just reminds me of like Raquel Welch. So we're gonna try it on and we're gonna see how similar it is. Okay, so I have the wig on. This is another wig that's like minimal to no effort because of the bangs. It's so easy to throw on. You don't have to customize like the front or anything. It doesn't have any lace. It's just simple bangs on top. So you can just throw it on. It's easy to walk out the door really fast. Okay, so this is so pretty. I love the color. I'm not saying that it's like exactly like shaded biscuit, okay? I'm just saying it reminds me of that. It's so beautiful. Like I don't want my inbox, like my comment section to be like, that's not like, you know, no, I'm not saying it's exactly like that. I'm just saying I want to make it very clear that it reminds me. There's so much volume into this wig. It's 20 inches long, so it's a little bit shorter than the other one. You can see that it comes down to about here, but like very minimal hair goes down to here. So it's a really nice everyday type of wig to wear. I'm gonna try putting it to the side for you in case you don't like curtain bangs at all. You can wear it into this style. This is really pretty. It also has an imitation of a scalp as well. The only thing about these wigs is on the inside of the wig, it doesn't have any clips. So I got a comment the other day saying like, what do I do if I feel like my wig is too big and it's flapping around? If you use the adjustable straps, I'm gonna bring it close to my camera, hopefully it's picking it up, and you tied it together like so, and that's not good enough and you still feel like your wig is flopping around and moving, then what you can do is you can go on the ear tab section right here, put in like this little clip that you can get like for hair extensions and stuff like that. I think they're really cheap on Amazon. I'll link them down below. And you can place them right here. So this way they snap into your hair right here, and this wig will not go anywhere. It's going to be completely snatch proof. Like it's not going to go anywhere if you do that. But if you don't like DIYing and you don't like sewing like me, you can go in with these type of headbands. So I like to go in with these type of headbands because they're non-slip and they're like super comfy and they keep your wig in place. You can also go in with this one here. I'll link them both down below. They're from Amazon. All right, now let's move on to wig number 3. This is the last wig, and I'm going to make sure to link all these wigs down below for you guys. If you guys want any of these, they will be linked down below into the description box area. So this is the next one. So this is supposed to be a rose gold color. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see it a little bit better. It's supposed to have this type of pink tone in it, but nothing like too crazy. It's not pink. Like if somebody looks at you, they're not gonna be able to detect it right away. But now that you know about it, I'm sure that you can see it because I didn't even know that it said rose gold whenever I bought it. But then when I read the description and everything, I'm like, oh yeah, that does have like a little bit of like a rose gold kind of tint. So this one is 28 inches long. This one's supposed to be super long. This is my mom's favorite. When I showed her this wig, she was like, she wants this one. This is now my mom's. So this is what she looks like on. She is just a different color. Like I don't even know how to explain her. You could tell it's like kind of like there's a pink hue or like a purpley hue in there, like a rose gold. It's grayish but not, and blonde. I don't even know. Like it's so unique and so different. This is my mom's favorite. The bang section, you can see I put it to the side a little bit because it's a traditional bang. It's not like a curtain bang or anything. If I put it straight across, it's that straight across type of bang. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. She also has the fake scalp as well. So let me know what wig was your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. Leave it in the comment section down below and let me know what wig you want me to try next. I'm gonna try more synthetic wigs, but I don't know what color, like brown, black, blondes. What do you guys want to see specifically? Let me know and I'll get it for my next haul, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.